is up, guys? It's Megan, and today we are doing another DIY video. We are making this magical headband stand. It is for all of my ears. It is super easy to make, and if you guys are interested in any of my ears, I did just start an Etsy shop, so go check that out. My link will be in the description below. But this was so easy. The decorating took more than the assembly, but I put all little Mickey heads. You just need regular household items to create this. And if you guys are interested in making this, please just stay tuned for my video. Okay guys, so for materials, I have a Quaker Oats oatmeal canister. It is one of the cardboard ones. I have 2 smaller pieces of wood, scrap wood, and then I have some fabric. In addition, I will be using a hot glue gun to attach all of these things, and I'm going to spray paint my pieces of wood. Okay guys, I have just spray painted my 2 boards. They are blue, and I'm going to start by hot gluing my fabric to my oatmeal can. So with my fabric, I am putting the good side down. I'm going to put my can here, put some glue on here, and then roll this up. Part won't matter too much because I'm actually going to be putting that side with the seam onto this. So I will stand it up like this and it will go up like that. I also tied these little knots on the sides because I think that's really cool. I'm actually going to trim off some extra fabric right here on the sides so that I just have a nice little knot. Next, we are going to be taking our wood panels and we are going to be gluing this smaller one right here on this larger one. Now that this is pretty steady, we're going to be gluing our seam side down to right here on our board. As you guys could see, this is my finished product. It was super easy to make, and if you guys are interested in more DIY videos, please let me know in the comments below. This was so awesome to make and so easy, and just materials that you didn't even have to go out and buy. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have the most magical day. See you real soon.